Before Quorum Sense was Quorum Sense, I guess I was doing what I do in isolation. And it turns out within a 20k radius, there was about 10 other people doing exactly what I was doing. And the beauty of what's now known as Quorum Sense, it basically brought those people together, got them out of their four walls and talking to other people.
Yeah, I just enjoy talking to different people and getting different ideas and different values. So thinking about that today is I just want to let people know just how good animals and farming is for New Zealand.
Quorum Sense field days and Quorum exchanges are good because it's peer-to-peer learning. It's a really key component of building your own farm system.
You're encouraged to pass on your learnings to the others around you.
We never set out to give people necessarily the answers, but to stimulate discussion. It's always good to have someone else's perspective, disruption of your thought processes. It's nice to just bond and know that we're not alone.
Each of the contributors here today, I think, are people who don't come to this with an ego. They come to it with a willingness to impart what they have learned.
We're on a regenerative farming day. It's just learning a lot about what we do regeneratively. Everyone's got their own system. It's just sharing each other's ideas and going with it, really. Great for our environment, great for our well-being and everything. So it's great to be a part of.
Quorum Sense social media, the farmers connected, it's just been amazing.
Look, Andy, you've provided us with just an absolute wealth of knowledge.
Quorum Sense, they've been getting in with them and even on just, online, look them up, see what people are doing.
I was really surprised at the enthusiasm of all the people that came along today to talk about the farming system, which nowadays is called regenerative agriculture.
We had about 40 people, all up, representatives from Quorum Sense, from our group, and from Hawke's Bay Future Farming Trust.
A key part of what we're doing here is building that knowledge and trying to improve the confidence in that knowledge by doing it in a structured, objective, independent way.
I think the regen mindset in terms of questioning the status quo and questioning the impact of what we do in terms of what impact on the biology or the ecology or the soil health, that's probably the most fundamental thing, because that's your springboard. If you start questioning that, then you'll start questioning what you do and changing your practices.
Everyone was sharing their stories and seems to be some good positive feedback. We've had some great discussions and there was a good bunch of people here today with plenty of knowledge, years of experience. Give people confidence to make decisions, to do something a little bit different. There's plenty of people here that you can talk to if you are facing issues. You just network with them and you go to create a group of people around you to help you on that journey.
It's been really great to connect with a community of people that are so excited about what they're learning and to get a little bit of that sort of joy in farming again.
What this has done is just opened up more possibilities for me.
Definitely come along. It's a great network of people.
Everyone is working towards the same sort of outcomes.
We promote and develop health and well-being, and that's across the farm. So from the soil to the livestock, to the plant community, to the biodiversity, to the waterways, to the people that live and eat from this land.
Quorum Sense is defined by its beginnings as a grassroots farmer-to-farmer sharing network. The future is regenerative.